Okay, for this project, we are going to make some sun catchers, and for this project we need newspaper, but we don't have newspaper, so we're just going to use this old construction paper because that's fine for what we need. You need crayons, and these are our old crayons, and scissors, wax paper, some pencil sharpeners, construction paper, glue, and an iron. These are all of the materials that we need for this project. Step 1, we make pencil shavings. So you just take the pencil sharpeners, take the ends off so that the shavings will fall in a pile, and you're going to unwrap the crayons and make piles of different colors of pencil shavings. We're going to put it on this green Bristol board, and then this is step 1.
I got enough purple.
So we've almost got enough crayon shavings for everybody. Now, if you want to do this project, keep in mind that this step takes a little bit and it's going to make a mess. So there's going to be a big cleanup afterwards. But that's okay because these are going to turn out really pretty once we're done.
I want this rainbow.
Alright, once you got the shavings that you want, next thing you have to do is get wax paper and cut it into squares, 2 for each person. You should get the clear, that's what I thought I got, but I got this brown tinge one, but we're going to check it out and see how well it turns out. Hopefully it is as colorful as we hope. If not, we'll do this again with the clear wax paper. For this step, you're also going to need some string too if you want to be able to hang the sun catchers up. Oh, it went really dark. So you're going to take one piece of the brown or the wax paper, and you're going to sprinkle all the colors around in a pattern that you choose, and then you're going to want to run the string down the middle, and then once you get all of the crayon shavings on the paper that like you want it, you're going to put the other piece over top, and then we're going to move on to the next step, which is ironing the crayon between the 2 wax papers until it's all melted and flat, and then you got to let it cool off. Now I recommend that the adults do that step, the ironing step, unless the child is old enough to be able to properly use an iron. So we are going to do these steps, and then we will show you what we have when we are done.
Full already.
Yay!
Hello.
Designing
I'm making a little
their sun catchers.
I've been making a little yellow sun up in the corner.
Okay, so we've gotten the shapes cut out. The next step is we are going to pick a sheet of construction paper, and we're going to pick a color that we want, and we're going to make a frame for it. So we will show you them after we are done making the frame.
Noah, come see. Whoa. And mine is a beautiful heart. That's pink. Mine's a heart too. Mine's the littlest one, Grace. The top's big.
Did you like this project?
Yes, and I want to make more things.
What did you think? Who had fun?
Me!
And we made a big mess. So that's how you put the frame on. You just glue around the two pieces of construction paper and you put your creation in the middle and glue it together. It'll look like that. It's not very sunny out today, so you can't really see the sun shining through, but they turned out quite nice. I'm not impressed with the wax paper I picked up, but they turned out nicer than I thought. Do you guys like yours? That's all that matters. They like it. Yeah, that's right. You can be creative and make them all unique. It was a nice little project for a Sunday afternoon. We all had fun. And now we're going to go have something to eat. Say bye!
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel